get involved with a cause or a charity. Now, here is a little paradox for you. Helping others is one of the most selfish things you can do for yourself, because when you help others, the one person you help the most is yourself. There's actually scientific research that shows the power of helping others. In the book Upside of Stress, Dr. Kelly McGonigal talks about a really powerful study of 1,000 US adults between the age of 34 and 93 experiencing major stressors in life for a period of 5 years: divorce, job loss, all that kind of stuff. The test subjects were asked a very simple question every few months. How much time have you spent helping others? And the researchers found a very interesting trend in this whole process. People who spent a lot of time helping others, their risk of death was lower by 30% compared to people who did not spend any time helping others. And there is the key. So those who help others live the longest. Find a way to get involved. Find a charity, help a friend, help your mom and dad, help your children, whatever it is. There's always a way you can help other people.